Yawning's contagious nature is still not entirely understood, but there are several theories about why it happens. One idea is related to empathy and social bonding. When you see someone yawn, especially someone you're emotionally connected to or empathetic towards, mirror neurons in your brain might fire, leading you to yawn as well. This response may have evolved as a way for social groups to synchronize their behavior and emotions, promoting cohesion and cooperation. Another theory suggests that yawning helps regulate brain temperature and oxygen levels. Yawning might increase blood flow to the brain, cool it down, and boost alertness. When one person yawns, it could be a signal to others in the group to do the same, ensuring everyone stays alert and focused. Interestingly, contagious yawning isn't limited to humans. It's been observed in some animals, like chimpanzees and dogs, further supporting the idea that it's a social behavior linked to empathy and group dynamics.